in this video how you can harvest white LEDs from a dissected LED lamp made for 110 volts or 230 volts AC, 50 Hz or 60 Hz, doesn't matter. When you say saw off this bulb, you find this, and that also must be sawn off. And here is the cooling plate for all these LEDs, and with the help of a heat gun like this, so it gives out a lot of hot air. You can warm this up till the solder melts, and then when you grip it in a vise and shake it a little bit, all these LEDs fall off. And I found perhaps important to tell that say on the back side, the big electrode was the minus and the small electrode is the positive. The test circuit is very simple. 12 volts DC, of course. They can only work on DC. That's not completely right, but anyway, 1K resistor, and here that white LED. And here you see the result. So it's quite fierce. When I switch off all the light on the workbench, you can surely see that this LED works very good. And I can even go to 18 volts. I've tested that. I don't want to demonstrate that, but you can surely try and say when you have harvested 8 of these LEDs, surely you can burn out one by testing the maximum voltage and the maximum amount of light that such a LED can give. So it's all very, very simple. Here are the pieces of the dissected lamp. This is, by the way, also aluminum. I had not expected that, but anyway, it also acts as a heatsink. Here the plastic bulb. Well, that was more or less all to tell. Of course, when you heat all these LEDs up, could be that you cannot harvest all these LEDs. Some of them will perhaps get a too high temperature when you use the heat gun. But anyway, I'm sure 3 or 4, perhaps even every LED can survive. Thanks for watching.